Hey there, welcome back to another video. And you know, the microphone doesn't sound like that because the microphone stopped working, so I had to use the headphone. What we are going to do today is to downgrade to Windows 10. I'm using Windows 11 desktop right now. I downloaded Windows 7 theme for Windows 11, and it's kinda good to me because I wanted to make the theme nostalgia. I backed up Windows 11 files before reinstalling my Windows computer. I'll be using USB SanDisk because it has 16 gigabytes. It should be here. Well, I'm using Windows 10 IoT Enterprise LTSC 2021. And I have Rufus put in a Windows 10 earlier. When I go to Device Manager, it just gives me an error, meaning that I broke Windows UIS. Gonna shut down and reopen in the morning. Okay, so it is the next morning, time to install Windows 10. I have to click F12 multiple times. It will just bring the menu. I'm gonna use UEFI SanDisk. I think it will take a while to get Windows installed. Before I continue, I'll have to use IoT Enterprise LTSC because that's what I'm currently using. And I have to clean the disk up. I closed it and I come back into the same product. When I go to custom, it doesn't show the thing. It says unallocate space. So I have to click new and click OK. And we will have to wait until the installation is complete. So I have to speed run for that. It's been 4 minutes and a half, and since is Windows installation has been completed, I cut the video just to not get bored to you. I was going to get the email, instead I will have to log into the local user. I skipped the rest because it's not going to be shown, and I checked the yes and no during the installation. Okay, so here we are at the desktop. When you check the test manager, the graphics driver should be installed in here. I restarted my PC so I can change it to 100%. And here the English and Romanian language, for example. And I also have to change the time depending what am I at. You can already tell the Windows activated itself. I'm now back, and a few hours later, I installed Vegas Pro, OBS Studio, ABS Video Editor, and Audacity. Also, Windows Movie Maker. And the account has not been logged out. I forgot to tell you something. When I open Chrome without loading along, it just logs out itself. Like, you can go daily browsing, doing any documents and stuff. This is just to educate people using Windows 10. Okay guys, that's the end of the video, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on bell notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.